Good morning, my dear student. I hope you all are fit and fine and you are doing very well in your studies. My dear student, today we are going to start class 5 environmental studies. So, we are going to start our lesson 1, that is everyone is unique. So, before starting the chapter, I want to request you that please use sanitizer and mask to keep yourself free from infection. So, with this thought, let's start our chapter number 1, everyone is unique. So, my dear student, let's start our today's class. Today we are going to read Environmental Studies of class 5. Let's move to a chapter. So, today we will start Unit 1, More About Us. And our chapter number 1 is Everyone is Unique. Okay, so before we start the chapter, you should know what is the meaning of the word unique. Unique means not like anything else. So, student, there are certain qualities present inside us which make us different from others. For example, someone is good in singing, someone is good at dancing, someone is very good in studying. So all these qualities make us different from others. And inside everybody there is some unique quality is present. So everyone is unique. Now in this chapter we have to read about measurement of height, appreciating family members, observing infants, our likes and dislikes, sensing things. Okay, so we will go one by one through all these topics. So let's start. Do you remember? Now in this box you see two girls' picture is given. One name is Ria and another name is Tania. Now you see what question is given? Question number 1. Who between these two girls has long hair? Okay, so it's very easy. By seeing picture you can give answer. Ria has long hair. Question number 2. Who is shorter? Definitely. Who is shorter? Tania is shorter. So please write answer in the blanks and complete your book. So let's start with next topic of the chapter, that is growth. So growth is one of the natural process and every living being they grow in their size. Growth is the development of our body also. We all grow with age. हम अपनी उम्र के साथ बढ़ते हैं, यानी जैसे जैसे हम बढ़ते हैं वैसे वैसे हमारी एज भी बढ़ती है. ग्रोथ इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग इन साइज. और जब हम अपने आकार में बढ़ते हैं इसका मतलब ये होता है कि नाउ वी आर ग्रोइंग. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज ग्रोथ ऑफ आवर बॉडी. It is because of our growth that our shoes become tight, our clothes do not fit us, or the length of our trousers become short. So when we are growing in size, it means that different body part is also growing, and because of that our clothes do not fit and our trousers become short, even our shoes also become tight, and it happens because different body part is growing. So our next topic is measurement of height. So let's know that how we can measure our height. The height of all human beings continue to increase up to 18 to 20 years of age. So students, till 18 to 20 years of age we keep on increasing. यानी 18 से 20 साल की उम्र तक हमारी हाइट बढ़ती है. One day a medical checkup was conducted in a class. एक दिन एक मेडिकल चेकअप रखा गया था. Each student of the class started to argue about the tallest and the shortest student. So due to that medical checkup in a class, all the students they are argued with each other that who is tall and who is short in the class. Some students believed Sid to be tallest among all, while the others argued that Jia was the tallest. So कुछ बच्चे कह रहे थे कि सिड लंबा है, बड़ा है, और कुछ बच्चे कह रहे थे नहीं, जिया was the tallest. To solve their conflict, a teacher came to their rescue and taught them how to measure height in a proper way to find out who is tall and who is short. So to control the situation of the class and to solve their conflict and to help them, conflict means fighting between two groups and rescue means help. So that's why to solve their conflict, teacher came to their help and she taught them what is the proper way to measure height. Their teacher, Miss Annie, asked it to stand against the wall and she marked his height on the wall using a pencil and a ruler. So, Miss Annie ने सिड को बुलाया और दीवार के सहारे खड़ा कर दिया एंड बाय द हेल्प ऑफ अ पेंसिल, यानी पेंसिल और रूलर, दैट इज़ योर स्केल की हेल्प से, यानी पेंसिल और रूलर की हेल्प से उसकी हाइट को वॉल पे मार्क कर दिया. Then with the help of a measuring tape. So what is measuring tape? Measuring tape is one of a instrument by the help of which we can measure length. So उन्होंने measuring tape की help से सिड की हाइट को मेज़र किया. She measured Sid's height. Sid measured 4 feet 4 inches. Similarly, she found Jia's height. और इसी तरह से उन्होंने जिया की हाइट को भी फाइंड आउट किया. Jia was 4 feet 2 inches tall. After doing this activity, Miss Annie told the entire class that the height is measured either in centimeter or inches. Okay, so after doing these activities, Miss Annie told them that there are two ways by which we can measure height. One is centimeter and another is inch. So student, there are two units by the help of which we can measure our height. One is centimeter and one is inch. So my dear student, if you remember, we had also measured last year in the month of December your height. Okay, now next come see that here what relation is given in your book. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches and 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. So this is relation between foot and inch, and below that how inch is related to centimeter, that is 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. It means that we can convert foot into inches and inches into. See that how to convert feet to inches. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So 7 feet is equal to how many inches? So 7 feet is equal to 7 into 1 feet. What we will do here? We will write the value of 1 foot. 7 into 12 inches. So 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So we will multiply 7 into 12 and now we will get the value of 7 feet, that is 84 inches. So 7 feet is equal to 84 inches. In the similar manner, you can also convert 1 inch, you can also convert 1 inch into centimeter. So let's see that this exercise. State whether the following statements are true or false. We all grow with age. There are 12 inches in 1 foot. Height can be measured only in centimeters. So these statements, by reading, you can capable to find out which one is true and which one is false. We all grow with age. So definitely it is true because we are growing with our age. There are 12 inches in 1 foot. This is also correct. It means it is also true. Height can be measured only in centimeter. It is false because we can measure height in inches also. So that's all for today's class. My dear student, thank you for watching this video. Next topic I will proceed in next video. Till that, revise all the things which I taught you in this video. Thank you.